Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys high five that subscribe button and high five that bell notification so you guys don't miss the newest content that we have on this channel. So before we get to the activity, I do want to give a huge shout out to my good friend Richie who designed these shirts. They're awesome. He's supporting the P-Spot. So thank you for that. If you guys are interested in creating your own custom gear, custom t-shirts, towels, whatnot, please hit up Rich. I'll drop his contact information, his cell phone number, as well as his email below. So make sure you guys give him a call for your custom order needs. All right, so without further ado, today we have our do-it-yourself activity is going to be the Water Bottle Fitness Challenge 2.0. Now we're going to make the Water Bottle Challenge a little bit more challenging and more exciting for you guys to try out. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so as a reminder, before we get started, we got to do 3 crisscrosses. 1, 2, 3 for every 2 flips. Okay. Now, if we make it a level 1, we got to move on to level 2, level 3, and level 4. We want to do this as fast as we can. So stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. 2, good. Level 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2, good. Level 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, perfect. Let's go. Move on next one. 1, 2, 3. Level 4. Voila, time, 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I'll drop a comment below if you think you can beat my score. All right, here we go. So Jordan's gonna try the challenge. Again, he has to beat my time of 1:20. Ready, set, go. 2 flips, 3. Oh, perfect. Move on next one. 1, 2, all right. 2 crisscrosses, flip. Oh, nice. 3. 1. Oh, move on, level 4. 1, 2, all right, 3 crisscross. 1, 2, 3, flip. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, flip. you guys are enjoying this game and this content, make sure you guys don't forget to high five that subscribe button and subscribe and hit that bell notification. And that's time, 51 seconds. Alright folks, so we just finished level 1. So as a reminder, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure you guys high five that subscribe button and high five that bell notification so you don't miss out on future games. We're going to move on to now level 2. Now level 2, we are going to go forward. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 again. And when we get to 4, we're going to drop back down to 3, 2, 1. So we're going to go up and down. And we're going to see how quickly we can do that. As a reminder, in order to get our 2 flips, we have to do 1, 2, 3 of our crisscrosses. So stay tuned and we'll do that in just a moment.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Time, 1 minute and 29 seconds. All right, level 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice. Nice, that's 3. Good try. Oh, left 4.
Level 1. Well, folks, 1 minute flat. All right, so after you complete level 1 and level 2, if you wanted to do a 1 minute challenge, what we're going to do is we're going to have this bucket here because it is the smallest surface for the water bottle landing, and what we're going to do is see how many times we can make our water bottle land on top of the bucket in 1 minute. So make sure you stay tuned and try out this challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. And time. Only got 1. All right, Jordan's up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 2. Oh, almost at 3. 3. And time. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of the Water Bottle Fitness Challenge 2.0. Make sure you please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.